1976, the bicentennial year, and this mobile space museum is touring the United States, displaying priceless relics of some of the proudest moments in American history, when our astronauts were the first to walk on the moon. The Space Museum is a project of High Flight Foundation, a non-profit religious organization founded by one of the men who walked on the moon, astronaut James Irwin. Visitors will see the space garment worn on the moon by astronaut Irwin. Some of the lunar dust still clinging to it. Irwin was lunar module pilot aboard Apollo 15 and was the first man to sit behind the wheel of the lunar rover, a space automobile which was driven across the lunar surface. Other exhibits on loan from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration are samples of space food, space tools, and pictures and films of Apollo 15 and other lunar missions. High point of the museum tour is the opportunity to see a unique souvenir from outer space. An actual piece of lunar rock. The museum will travel throughout the United States, giving people in rural as well as urban areas the opportunity to see firsthand some of the priceless exhibits of our nation's history in space. The Mobile Space Museum is made possible by donations from American business. For example, the donation from Rockwell International will allow High Flight Foundation's Mobile Museum to visit school districts in many of our states. The High Flight Foundation Space Museum, bringing Americans a part of their history in space.